Hello students, in this video we'll discuss about Hadoop Yarn applications. And the introduction of Hadoop version 2 increased the scope of many new applications. And the version 1 of Hadoop is split into two parts, the scheduler part and the MapReduce framework. Scheduler and the MapReduce framework. And this Yarn application is an example of non-MapReduce framework, Hadoop non-MapReduce framework. And here as an Yarn exam application, we are learning about this Yarn distributed shell. As I told, this Yarn distributed shell is an Yarn application which belongs to Hadoop non-MapReduce framework. And we can see what is this distributed shell. It is a simple mechanism for running shell commands and scripts on multiple nodes in a cluster. And we can see how to install this Hortonworks HTTP 2.2. This is how we have to do the installation, and this is the command to execute these distributed shell applications. Right, command to execute the distributed shell applications, and this distributed shell has various options. And I can use the options like this. Right, your Yarn Apache Hadoop distributed shell, and Yarn DS stands for distributed shell, and -help, it is an option. Like this, I have many options, and I have given some examples like container memory, container vcourse, create, debug. Many options are there. In slide, I have given only few examples. So this is the path for installation. This is the command to run the distributed shell applications, and this is the command how I can use the options available in my distributed shell. And we can see a simple example now. The simplest use case for distributed shell application is to run the arbitrary shell command in a container. How I can run a shell command in a container. So this is my Yarn Apache Hadoop Yarn applications distributed shell, and here Yarn-ds. I am going to run a shell command in a container. So option should be -shell command, and which command I am running? Uptime is the command I am running. So if the shell command succeeds, I'll get this message, application completed successfully. Right, I'll get this message. Suppose if the shell command did not work for some reason, I'll get the following message, application failed to complete successfully. I'll get this message. And once the shell command is successfully executed, I can check the output in my log files. Right, I can check my output in my log file. So how to open the log? I can use Yarn command. I want to open my log, so the command is log, and -application ID is the option I have to use as it is, and I have to specify the application ID of my job. Right, so you can go to this log and you can check the output in your log files. And here distributed shell can run commands in many containers. Right, distributed shell can run commands in many containers. So I have to specify the number of containers using this option, -num containers. Right, using this option, I can specify the number of containers. So here shell command, what is the shell command I'm using? Host name. So I'm using 4 containers. I need to use 4 containers. So I have to use this -num container option, and I have to specify the number of containers. Next is distributed shell examples with shell arguments. Right, so I can specify any new argument in my command. how I can specify a new argument using shell hyphen shell aux. This complete thing is an option. Using this option, if I want to specify any new argument, I can specify an argument in my command. Right. So here what we have learned, we are learning about Hadoop Yarn application. This Yarn application is an example of Hadoop non-MapReduce framework. And under Yarn application, we have learned about distributed shell. What is distributed shell? It is a mechanism to run shell commands and scripts on multiple nodes in a cluster. So we have seen how to do the installation, how to run, and how to use the various options available in my distributed shell. Right, this is the command hyphen the options I can use it. And these are some of the sample options. And here we have seen how to run a command, how to run a shell command. So if I want to run a shell command, I have to use this option hyphen shell command. And if the command succeeds, I'll get the application completed successfully message. If not, I'll get a fail message. And here, if you want to check the output of your command, you have to go to your log file and you have to check it out. And in my distributed shell, I can use any number of containers. So the number of containers should be specified using my hyphen num container option. And here in distributed shell, I can use new arguments. I can use new arguments with hyphen shell aux option. Using this option, I can specify new arguments. So this is all about your Hadoop Yarn applications. Thank you.